What do you do when your key fob on your Jeep Wrangler JL is dead, your Jeep won't detect it, and your push button start won't work? I'm going to show you a trick to get the Jeep started and also how to change the battery so you'll be up and running soon. This is my wife Regina's 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL, and she was getting the low key fob battery warning for a couple weeks, and well, she was bugging me to change the battery, but of course I procrastinated, and now the battery in the key fob is completely dead. So, how do you access the Jeep and get it started? Let me show you. First, to access the Jeep, you need to use this built-in medieval contraption that is hidden within the key fob to open the door. I know, so inconvenient. Then, when you get inside and push the start engine button, nothing happens. But don't worry, just take the end of the key fob and use it to press the start button. Be sure to put your foot on the brake and presto, the Jeep starts right up even with a dead battery key fob. Okay, now let's change the battery so you can get back up to a simpler way of life. To change the battery, you'll need a new lithium 2450 battery, a medium and a small flathead screwdriver, and the key fob with the optional two-legged bear keychain. Now locate the small indentation where you can insert the medium screwdriver and slowly start prying the cover off. Once the cover is off, use the small screwdriver to carefully pry the battery out. Now, grab the new battery, and in my case, removing the new battery from the packaging ended up being the most difficult part of the whole process. It really shouldn't be that difficult. All right, now take your brand new battery and install it into the key fob. Carefully snap the cover back on, and in doing so, try to avoid hitting the Jeep's alarm. Yeah, I did that. Now that your key fob is all back up and ready to roll, it's time to go hit the trails. If this video was helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.